Pug in a Truck by Nancy Caufeld. This is our truck. It's flat in the front. This is me. My nose is as flat as the front of our truck. This is my friend. He calls me Pug. I'm Pug in a Truck. This is where we pick up our load to deliver. When we hook up the trailer, our truck's not a bobtail anymore. Sometimes we haul goods for stores to sell. Sometimes we haul food that farmers have grown. Sniff, sniff. No food in this cargo. My friend lifts me into the cab. Rumble, rumble. The diesel engine growls. Grumble, grumble. So do I. Bow, wow. We have a load to deliver. We get on the freeway and put the hammer down. Now we're heading straight out of the city. We see a lot of other vehicles on the road. Look, a dragon wagon, a roller skate, a four-wheeler, and a skateboard. But I'm always on the lookout for big rigs like ours. Finally, I see an 18-wheeler hauling a load of toothpicks. Look at me, I'm as tough as your truck. Honk, honk, goes the driver. Bow wow, I'm as loud as your horn. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Our air brakes bark. Bow wow, so do I. Ground clouds. My friend can't see the road. We switch on our fog lights. Pug, only 5 more yardsticks until we're over the pass and in the clear. Bow wow, everybody follows us. Our fog lights lead the way. So do my barks. Bow wow, 1 mile. Bow wow, 2 miles. 3, 4, 5. We made it. Crackle goes the CB. You got your ears on? Thanks, barking buddy. You helped everyone keep the shiny side up and the greasy side down. Bow wow. That's my job. Now we're at Double Nickel again and back in business. But all that barking has tired me out. Bow wow. Truck stop. We can fuel up here. Our truck needs diesel, but I eat dog food. My friend needs to fuel up too, but no pugs allowed in the restaurant. After dinner, we take a walk around the truck stop. There, drivers can get their hair cut or their shoes shined. They can buy snacks or maps. And some drivers are here to park their trucks and get some sleep. Bow wow. It's our bedtime too. This is our bed behind the cab. It's soft and warm, and we need to rest. Because tomorrow we're back on the road. I'm a pug in a truck, and we have a load to deliver. In the story, Pug in a Truck, there are some words and phrases that pretty much only truckers use. So at the end of the story, we have a trucker glossary. And it explains some of the funny, silly words you've heard in this story. A bobtail is a truck without a trailer. Double nickel is 55 miles per hour, the speed limit. Dragon wagon is a tow truck. An 18-wheeler is any articulated truck, even though many have fewer or more than 18 wheels. A four-wheeler is a passenger car. Got your ears on? That's an expression used when looking for someone on the CB. Like, hey HT, you got your ears on? Ground clouds are fog. Hammer down means to go fast and step on it. Keeping the shiny side up and the greasy side down means driving safely and avoiding an accident. Roller skate is any small car. Originally, it was referred to a Volkswagen. Skateboard, a flatbed trailer. Toothpicks is a load of lumber. And yardstick is a mile marker along the highway. The little green signs that have the numbers on it shows you the miles. Those are yardsticks in trucker lingo. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please come back and listen to more stories by Grandma.